Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time I'm coming across this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do me a favor to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button and press the notification bell for more video. My return is thank you and God bless you. Hey, I'm adding weight this time, eh? Look at my cheese. Oh my God, I need to go on diet. You know, I love being diet. I love being slim. Not that I'm fat in my body, but my face. Whenever I want to put on weight, I just see it in my face. My cheese will just like the way it is now. If you see me now, I'm not so fat, but see it, I'm not so fat, I'm not fat, but I know that I want to put on weight already because my cheese is begin to boom boom. Hey guys, it is long, that I'm not making video like this. And for long now, I've not been uploading so well like the way I used to be before, because I have a lot of things doing now, not like before. I have a lot of things doing now, okay? I am schooling now, the same time working. I'm doing a lot, guys. A lot now. So, guys, in today's video, we are going to be unboxing. Guess what we are unboxing, guys? Guess. Today we are going to be unboxing new phone. I decided to give myself a gift. I've been thinking about it for more than 2 months, for me to give myself a new brand new phone. It's not when someone regalo you something or when someone give you a gift. You have to also do yourself a favor by giving yourself a gift. Am I correct? Guys, am I correct? When you see what you love, go for it, guys. The time is just too short. Anything that hungry you to eat it for that moment. Go to the supermarket or market, just buy it and eat it. So this is what hungry me now, and I went to the shop and take it. Guys, I love this phone because my phone I'm using is giving me healthy. So I decided to buy another new phone. I have a computer. Not that I don't have a computer, but computer is different and it's very easy. Another thing. So I decided to give my phone myself a new brand phone. Wow, this is awesome, guys. I go to this shop today after school. When I finished clothes, I just went to the shop and give myself a brand new phone, and I so much love it. And they have a lot of spaces. This one have a lot of space. The one I'm using now is the one I used to upload video without the one I'm using now. And this one, oh my God, let me show you the carton, guys. This is my new phone. I am so excited to open it. I am so excited. Guys, I am so excited. Wait, guys, I need to go and do something too. I need to bring scissors. I'm coming. Yeah, scissors is here. Let's unbox the phone together. Got my scissors. Guys, this is S20, the one that follow S21. This is the one I just have now, the one I follow S21. Just a little bit different, and I so much like Samsung. My best phone is Samsung and Nokia. Nokia is my best phone and Samsung. I love Samsung. If someone want to regalo me, like you want to dash me phone, maybe you want to give me iPhone, I will tell that person, please, I prefer you to dash me Samsung. I've been using Samsung for so long. I love, because it's very easy. Samsung phone is very easy to operate. Okay, it's very easy to operate. If someone told me now, if you want me to give you a gift, what phone do you want? Like phone, what do you want? I will say, please give me Samsung. It's the best among all. For you, it might not be best. For me, it's the best among all. I love using Samsung. As I said earlier, I also love using Nokia. Nokia and these two phones, I love them. Guys, let's open. Wow, this is so awesome, guys. This is my new phone. I'm so excited. Over 2 months now, I've been thinking. What can I do? I want to buy a new phone because this my phone is giving me headache. Wow, this phone is so amazing. So amazing. Oh my God. Guys, look at the back of the phone. Wow. The difference of the S21 is just that this one have 3 cameras now, and the other one, this one is 4 cameras. So the other one have another camera here which is 4. That is the difference. Nothing. They have the same memory, guys. And I bought it with a SIM card with gigabytes inside, and I have 15 gigabytes inside internet. Guys, this phone is so awesome. I love it, guys. I love it. Let me show you I haven't charged it. I have to charge it at least for some hours before start using it. Me myself, whenever I bought a new phone, I have to charge the phone like at least for 6 hours before starting using it. If not, I will not. So let me show you the charger. My Samsung. Wow, I'm so excited for this phone. Okay, this is the charger of the phone. The charger of Samsung. Can you see it? Can you see that? Oh my God, I am so excited. So we have also the rope here for the charging and for the here. Yes, guys, this is so awesome, but it's very short. Oh. The rope is not so long. It's not long. After I finish this video now, I have to go and charge it. Okay, guys, you have to connect it here. Yeah, this is the charger, and you have to leave it for 6 good hours. This is how I charge my own. You can charge your own the way you want it. For me, I love charging it for 6 good hours before I start using it. Oh my God, guys, I'm so happy to have this phone, and I am so glad to buy myself a new brand phone. Okay, if you are not yet subscribed, this is all I have today for you guys for my new brand phone unboxing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Do consider to subscribe for more videos. And one more thing, in my second channel, which is Golden Lady TV, also do click on that channel because I used to do a lot on that channel. This I'm doing something different from that channel. It's not the same thing. I'm not doing the same thing there. I'm doing blogging, selling hair, weave-ons, doing makeup, a lot of things. So click on that second channel. Also do subscribe. Thank you for joining me for today's video, and I so much appreciate you all that us coming to my channel, always to support my channel. God bless you, and see you for my next video. Bye bye. My new phone is here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. A new phone is here. I'm so excited to have it. Wow. Bye.